From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy Lundi Gras, and Mardi Gras is going to be a happy one as well. 100% chance of throws tomorrow, just a 10% chance of rain. There will be a breeze out of the southwest, so you may get a little wind burn as well. Those winds cranking up for Wednesday, so we'll get to that in just a bit. So let's take a look at the big picture as we now see the subtropical jet stream north of the region. We still have cloud cover, but we're on the warm side of things. The polar jet up across the northern tier of the U.S., that's where the cold air is bottled up into Canada, and right now the storm track looks to stay well north of our region as this high pressure ridge banks in a little bit more into the Gulf of Mexico over the next week. So that means daytime highs pushing 80 degrees eventually, but we'll have plenty of morning clouds, but some intervals of afternoon sun. Here's the big picture across the U.S. Some snow up across Montana, also Great Lakes, western Great Lakes, upper Midwest, a few showers here and there. We actually had a shower or two showing up locally, but just the mostly cloudy skies right now as those southwesterly winds come in. Could argue for some fog or lowering of cloud decks tonight, but there's going to be enough wind to keep visibility at bay, but I think the cloud cover stays with us for a good part of the evening. But in spite of all the clouds, not much showing up. Clean echo return coming in from Power Doppler 3, Acadiana's only sweeping Doppler radar in town. So as we look at the forecast for tomorrow, it will be breezy and mild to start our day, upper 60s to near 70, and then the winds kick up in the 15 to 25 mile per hour range. It's going to stay mild. At noon, we're at 72 degrees. Right at 3 o'clock, we'll be close to our high at about 77. Plus, we'll have some breaks in the clouds, so that's when it's going to get warm sometime between about 2 and 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So stay hydrated. Those winds stay breezy, though, so it's going to be quite comfortable. Humidity is going to be up. It's not going to be a good hair day. For some of us, it's been hair decades, but with the wind and the humidity, that's going to be up, especially at night with dew points and temperatures holding in the upper 60s to near 70, and it stays breezy and mild through tomorrow night. Winds actually crank up as we get into Wednesday. We'll be seeing gusts approaching 40, maybe a few spotty showers. Rain chance tomorrow, 10%. We'll go about 20% for Wednesday and Thursday, but no higher than that. Just a passing shower. Nothing serious. No big weather makers in the forecast for a while. So overnight tonight, we'll see temperatures holding in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Then for tomorrow, getting up to about 77 or 78 degrees. Notice the humidity making that feels like temperature a little bit milder, but you'll have the wind also for ventilation purposes as well. Then as we head into your Wednesday morning, temperatures holding upper 60s to near 70 and back into the mid to upper 70s for your Wednesday afternoon. Those winds being the key. So here are the wind gusts per the HER model here will be in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range for tomorrow. So certainly a breezy day out there, and you can get a wind burn being in the wind all day long too, so keep that in mind. Then as we head into tomorrow night, Wednesday morning, the winds begin to pick up into the 30 mile an hour range. That's gusts. And then look at the gusts as we head to midday on Wednesday, and we'll see the latest model run coming in tonight at 10. But we have gusts in the mid 40s, which could actually mean some sporadic power outages for those where you know where the wind gusts, you're out in the country and the power goes out. If you're one of those folks, I would plan on the possibility of some power outages, just sporadic, isolated, but 40, 45 mile an hour winds. That's tropical storm force winds as we head into Wednesday. So 68 the low tonight, breezy and mild overall. You see the clouds moving along at a good clip with those winds. Then Mardi Gras for the careers tomorrow morning, upper 60s to near 70, much better than the wet, cold, and muddy ones we've had of late. Sometimes we've had Mardi Gras where we've had sleet, freezing rain. Not this time around. We'll be close to 80 tomorrow. And again, 100% chance of throws. That cloud and sun mix coming in during the course of the afternoon. We'll see some of the breaks in the clouds, we hope. So as we move into the 10-day forecast, what is it? April or is it February? Is it Fapril? I don't know, but we're getting faked out by Mother Nature here. Daytime highs 10 to 15, 20 degrees above normal, and overnight lows about the same as well. Lower 80s all of a sudden.
Fapril.
Like that.
Fapril.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
going to
I
call
haven't
it
heard that.
Fapril. Yeah, well, I was trying to
just
get
coined it.
February and April together.
There you go, Rob.
And not cuss on the air. So
Yeah,
Okay,
that's always good.
All right, thanks, Rob.